We put bulbs on all these and through they were.
We're fixing our problem to this light here. It's not working. We got the power on there, but we don't have the power over there. We don't have it on here.
Okay.
For this door. For that. But it works with the light switch. It turns it on. We fixed this. We don't want to use that because it's a 24 volt, 240. And this one is a 18 actually, 18 volt, which is what we're using.
240 volt.
Yeah, this is the 18 volt that we're using.
We're using that for 12.
But we're using it with these little bulbs for 12. Again, I connect the 18 volt to here.
No.
We're just putting these connected because these came out when I saw. These come out, and so we're going to make that light out. That light there, that bulb thing, go out. So we're going to connect these and stuff. We're putting the bulb in this little thing so now I can film.
Let's see if it comes on.
See if this comes on. Alright. Gotta watch. Oh, it's coming on!
Okay. Tells you
That tells you that this, for this cable for that light out here, is here. Be gone. So we can socket.